Hi, it's Aris here from R&W at Marrickville. Welcome to this week's update. So we've got the quarterly results in the first quarter of this financial year, 2019-2020, and it's really interesting when you compare it to the exact same quarter as last year. So it's kind of telling us what we've already seen and we know, but it's just interesting when it's there in black and white in facts and figures. So starting with the Marrickville clearance rate for the quarter, there was an amazing 40 properties sold out of 43. So that's a clearance rate of 93%, which is obscenely high. When you look at last year, we had 68 auctions in Marrickville in the same quarter, and they were only clearing at 60%. So there's been a huge shift in stock. Stock is really what's driving the clearance rates. You're talking about over 30% less properties offered for sale in this first 3 months of this financial year. As we move into the heart of spring, we're nearly in the middle of spring right now, that's a real issue, and that's what's playing out in the clearance rates. People are in a position where they're struggling to find enough choice, and therefore they're having to make commitments on things, and that's creating heavier competition. Dulwich Hill was very similar. So Dulwich Hill, there were only 22 properties auctioned this quarter, 18 sold, that's 81% clearance. You're talking about 36 properties were auctioned at the exact same quarter last year, and the clearance rates then were 44%. So in Dulwich Hill, we're talking about nearly double the amount of listings were available last year, and the clearance rate now is nearly double what it was then. So you're talking 36 properties, 44% clearance last year. This year you're talking 22 properties and 82% clearance. So you can see we've almost come full circle. Helston Park was a bit more difficult to read. There were 8 auctions last year, the clearance rate was just under 40%. This year there were 6 and 50% clearance. Helston Park's been very quiet of late. There hasn't been as much transactions going on across the suburb. So pretty much what we're seeing is a stock related issue. I don't feel like buyers are above normal levels. I feel like the buyer levels for spring are very much on average, but stock is chronically low. So look, unfortunately I hope that will improve soon. It's not playing out in the numbers that we're seeing, but as we get towards the end of spring, hopefully there's a few more owners seeing the encouraging results, and that pushes them to go on the market. And if you're one of those owners watching this video, please feel free to call us. We're always happy to help and let you know what's going on out there in the market. Bye for now.